Okay, let's look at number 13. This starts our two-step equations. And remember, that's not much different than the one-step equations. Let's try this one out. Negative 5x plus 8 equals negative 32. Now, what is the main goal of my problem? What do I have to figure out? I still only have to figure out how much 1x is. So before I can take care of this x over here, I've got to take care of this addition that's over here. So how do I get rid of addition? I subtract. But what am I going to subtract? Am I going to subtract the positive 8, the negative 32, the negative 5? What am I going to subtract? Well, I'm going to subtract that 8 because remember we want it to end up with just the 5 and the negative 5x on one side of the equal sign and everything else on the other. So I've got negative 5x because positive 8 plus negative 8, they cancel each other out. They equal 0. Equals, what's negative 32 plus negative 8? That is negative 40. Okay, now what kind of problem is this one? This one is just a one-step equation, right? We can do those in our sleep by now. What operation is going on between the negative 5 and the x? We need its multiplication. So I need to divide. I'm going to divide this side by negative 5, so I'm going to divide this side by negative 5. These two negative 5s cancel each other out, making 1, because negative 5 over negative 5 makes 1 whole. So that's our 1x that we write as x. Negative 40 over negative 5, I could say negative 40 divided by negative 5. I end up with 8, but is it a positive 8 or a negative 8? Same signs are positive. Very good. Okay, so I need to check it. Let me say negative 5 times 8 plus 8 equals negative 32. Negative 5 times 8 is negative 40. Let me make that negative sign a little bit bigger. Plus 8 equals negative 32. Okay, negative 40 plus 8. They're opposite signs, so I'm going to subtract. I'll come over here. 40 minus 8. Borrow from my 4, make it a 3. Make that 10. That's a 2. That's a 3. Which number's bigger, the 40 or the 8? The 40 is bigger, so we take the sign from the larger number. That makes it negative 32 equals negative 32. This is correct, so this is correct. Good job.